Hello everybody, and today welcome to one more session on my channel. This session is all about how do we grow. Growth is a vital thing in humans, and also growth makes your body look longer and also allows you to reach high objects. So growth will happen for all kids. But have you ever wondered how growth happens? Growth is a little bit complex process. But first we will see the things necessary for growth. There are two things necessary for growth. The one I'll explain you now. That is the growth plates. There are growth plates at the end of every bone in our body. And these plates allow growth to happen. While these plates are open, you can grow, but they close after a certain age, which stops the growth. Or else you do not want to be a monster for everybody, right? But few people grow too much at their childhood because of a rare condition called as gigantism. They can be 8 to 9 feet at least and exceed normal heights basically. But some people are also smaller, and dwarfs are basically small. They stay small throughout their life. That's also a little bit rare condition only. Now, let us see the second important factor for growth, and one of the most important factors is human growth hormone, HGH. This hormone allows growth to happen, and the specialty of this hormone is it is only produced while we sleep. That is why sleeping is a must, friends. Sleeping gives rest for your brain and body, and also lets growth happen in case if the body tries to produce any hormone. Now, doctors recommend at least 8 hours of sleep for a child. Or 10 or 12 hours is more than enough for you. For adults, they can sleep as much time as they want because there is no more growth, but at least they should sleep 6 hours is what doctors recommend. And the third thing which is needed for growth is exercise, especially yoga. There are many asanas of yoga or poses of yoga which help us grow, like stretching your hands up and stretching your legs up as well. Standing on your toes, stretching your ankles and putting your hands like this can help you grow. That is one such example of a stretching exercise. And cobra pose also can help you grow. But why? Because these stretch the growth plates at the end of all the bones. At the end of the specified bone. Which is why these plates expand and grow. Which is good for us, right? Anybody wants to be tall, not short, right? Okay. Now the second thing is you need to consume a lot of proteins. Meat, etc. contain lots of proteins. And these proteins are vital for human growth to happen. And also be sure to eat controlled amounts of junk food so that you can grow well. These days, because of pollution, etc. and bad lifestyles, junk food, late sleeping, lately getting up, all those things are impacting growth of the humans very much. So please be sure to not do all those habits. Eat junk food in controlled manners and sleep for a long time. Sleep early, get up early and done. And stay in a clean environment. But first you should also not let your defense system or the soldiers of your body get weak. So you have to play outdoor sports, etc. But be sure to be careful because these days the coronavirus is taking over the world, right? That's all for today. Thank you everybody for watching my channel videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.